Let me draw your attention to the fact that as the Kisii community, we are actually number 2 in Kenya when it comes to investments. Probably if you look at this, our brothers from the mountain, they have actually had successive regimes on their side. We Kisis, we have always worked hard, the hard way. I'll say no government has ever come to our aid. Whatever we have just toiled for it. So on the basis of that, I would tell you now, given that you are the senior most politician, you have a major seat. The Kisis, we didn't get what we deserve. If we cannot get it, as per the number of votes we gave, we are investors. We have our money. We gave. We gave. No, actually, like in Dallas here, we seriously need a consulate. And I don't see the need. You know, if we have something, we must have ownership. So when you get the consulate, let us have one of our own. That's when we can feel ownership. In fact, to make it even easier, some of us are very qualified, including myself. If I were in Kenya, probably, because I was a principal, by now I would be a PS. Now I'm here. So why can I let me get that seat and I'll work? Because right now I'm moving on.
And finally, on the question you asked, I'll be also be just as you. Lakini pakekerere bunerego ibintu yabana bamente bikwaberarigwa mungwana na roro imike 10 ekero gupima buya na togoserete era undi ntanga lakini tone kumuyirorera ryoka nera nasogete mana abere nena rore nasogete nagiekora utarire roje mbogera achigete agataka gocha gusia kobwa ono tigatumu nima nasogete emyake 10 nto emincha na tegia bagusi nto emincha okomujira omate ngwato konyete ngwato lakini uinyore gentugete bakekero gwikaransa na nena kwana bakekero muruwe chikura chinyinge ono tikaransa tiari azemeza ebikogenda bosi yesi nkonyora tore nto anyorete erodiri yo PS yaro na inche na igwetobe bindo ne binge gendrete but nto chetonyore ebinte binge biri bigocha gusi